Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI, the Fun with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson, we're going to learn a few things, right, from a few people. The first person that sent me something to actually translate was Yao. Yao, thanks again. So the first thing that Yao wanted to know was, what is what in TWI? What in TWI is either Ɛdeɛn or deɛn, right? So Ɛdeɛn or deɛn is what in TWI. In a sentence, right, one would say, deɛn na wopɛ, which is what do you want or like, or Ɛdeɛn na wopɛ, which is also what you want or like. The second thing that Yao wanted to know was the word where, right? So where, it's either ɛhe or he, right? In a sentence, if you want to ask somebody, where do you stay? You'd say Wote he, which is where do you stay or live, right? But one can also say Ɛhefa na wote, or hefa na wote. So when you add the fa part, what you're saying now is where in particular do you stay. So if I say Ɛhefa na wote, I'm not just asking where you stay, but where in particular do you stay, right? Now the next thing that Yao wanted to know was who. Who in TWI is hwan. Hwan is who in TWI. So in a sentence, if you want to ask who ate the food, you'd say hwan na ɔdii aduane no. Hwan na ɔdii aduane no, which is who ate the food, right? The next thing that Yao wanted to find out was why. Why in TWI is Adɛn. Adɛn is why in TWI. Now, if you want to put it in a sentence and ask, why did you say that? You'd say Adɛn na wokasa. Adɛn na wokasa, which is why did you say that? And the next thing that Yao wanted to find out was how in TWI is saying, right? So in a sentence, if you want to ask, how did you do this? You'd say, sen na woyɛ. But you can also say, Ɛkwan bɛn na woyɛ. Literally, Ɛkwan bɛn in English is in what way or in what manner. Na woyɛ literally says, did you do this, right? So did you do this can be said as sen na woyɛ or Ɛkwan bɛn na woyɛ. So the next thing that Yao wanted to find out was do. So do in TWI is ye. If you want to put it in a sentence and you want to say do this, you'd say ye. And the next thing that Yao also wanted to find out was the word did. Did in TWI is ye a. But when we say it, we say yeah, right? So now a sentence would be se wobɛyɛ many bɛgye. Se wobɛyɛ many bɛgye, which is in English, if you did that, I'll appreciate it. Se wobɛyɛ many bɛgye. The next person that wanted me to translate something was Afare. Afare, as usual, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. So what Afare wanted to find out was, how do you say lower the fire in TWI, right? So lower the fire in TWI is dum jano kakra. Dum in TWI is switch off or turn off. That's dum, right? Eja is fire. No represents that fire. Kakra is small. So dum ejano kakra, literally translated is switch off the fire a bit, which is literally saying lower the fire, right? Another way that one can actually say that again in TWI is ma ejano mra form kakra. Ma is let. Eja is fire. No, that specific fire. Mra form is bring it down. Kakra is a little bit. So ma ejano mra form kakra literally says bring the fire down a bit, which technically says lower the fire a bit, right? So the other thing that Afare wanted to find out again was raise the fire, right? So in TWI, raise the fire is ye ejano kesie kakra. Ye ejano is make the fire. Kesie is big. Kakra is just a bit. So technically, when you say ye ejano kesie kakra, you're saying make the fire a bit bigger. Another way of saying it is ma ejano nye kesie kakra, which is let the fire be bigger a bit. Ma ejano nye kesie kakra. Then the last thing that Afare wanted to know was put the fire on medium. So put the fire on medium in TWI is ye ejano honi ho, right? Ye is make or do. Ejano is that specific fire. Honi ho is literally here and there, which in TWI translated is medium, right? Or you can say ma ejano nye honi ho, which is let the fire be here and there, which is medium, right? So guys, that's about it for today. Thanks again for all your support. Thanks for everyone that keeps on commenting and wanting me to translate things. Remember guys, if you don't leave stuff in the comment, that's fine. What I do is when I translate these things, right, chances are you bump into something that you don't know that you find fruitful and you learn from that. So I just want to say thank you to everyone that actually contributes and actually writes these things so I can actually translate, right? And guys, remember, if you want to learn the language quicker and have it on your phone every time or everywhere you go, right, please go to Google Store, get the TWI Junior Pro app. It's less than $1. With that and this, you learn the language quicker. And for the coronavirus, guys, as I usually say, right, it's not about you, it's about the next person. So please only go out for essential stuff, only for food and actually for medical services. And guys, if you like the content, right, and you like what I'm doing, right, remember to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and click on the bell button for future notifications. So whenever I put out a video, you'll be one of the first people that actually pick it up and actually watch it, right? With that, guys, I just want to say thank you again. Please do subscribe. Please spread the word. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So with that, guys, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for loving the video. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Please spread the word so I can get more subscribers. With that, this is Kwesi signing out. Bye.